What's going on, guys? It's me, Mighty Mitch, is back at it again with another video. You guys blew up my last video. I got 800 views on that one. That's a big milestone, guys. But today, I'm unboxing a new keyboard I got for Christmas. And hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can read it. Uno momento. We're getting there. Boom. All right, here. The Shurikey Gear keyboard. All right. So I had this on my wish list for a while. I think it might be the one I know of, or it might be the one that I wanted. Might be a different one. I think it's the one I wanted, but I don't know. It's basically a surprise. It's a gift for Christmas. So we're unboxing this sucker. All right. Count of three. 1, 2, 3. Flip open. Okay. Okay. All right. So we got this little packet or pamphlet. What's inside? Just instructions. All right. All right. All right. That's okay. That's okay. We'll toss those aside for now. Got a little sticker. Looks nice. Looks nice. Then pull this apart. Grab this. We'll see the accessories. So, oh my gosh, we got some keycaps. These look fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you. Do these not look kind of fire? Dude, look at those, dude. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, all right, all right. So we got that. Got this keycap puller. Move on to the other one. Right over here. There's nothing. Cool beans. Come over here. We got this cable. It is not braided. It is just a regular cable. USB-C. USB-C cable. All right, all right. Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to set those to the side. All right, time for the big reveal, guys. So, yes, this is the keyboard that I had on my wish list for a while, thankfully. All right, nothing left in the box. Set that to the side. All right. Put this upside down. Well, okay. Just gonna tear this apart. Alright, guys. Ready for the big reveal? 1, 2, 3. Oh, dude. That looks fire, guys. Not gonna lie. Do you agree that it kind of looks fire? Alright, let's do a sound test. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're Sakura switches! Oh! Those are so cool. Those are so clean. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys, dude, this is sick. It has this little thingy right here at the bottom, this green thing. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it just has the name on it. That's so cool. It has these dials on the end of it. Boom, boom. Click them both. These two things that I don't know are here for. Have these buttons. This is sick, guys. I like the style of this. Like, this is my this is the keyboard I've been using. I switched out the keycaps, or the key switches. They used to be white crystal switches, but now they're these orange cream switches. Yeah, this sounds really good. Listen. That's what that sounds like. Now, that's what this sounds like. This is a little quieter. I like the sound of it. Okay. Well, I think that's going to be it for the video, if I'm being completely honest. But, hope you guys did enjoy. I will be posting a video of me playing with this keyboard in about maybe an hour. Maybe less. Got to get used to it first. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. By the way, Skyler, you want to say hi? He doesn't want to say he's shy. Hope you guys have an amazing one. Peace out. God bless. Frick you.